Press and hold the red button for 5 seconds to turn it on. Open the app, connect the device, and skip the tutorial. Click to view the device pairing, status and battery level status. Press the red button briefly once to take a photo. Click on the photo album at the bottom of the app, then click on Import. After the transfer is successful, you can choose to save photos, videos, and audio recordings.
你好，
Please
小
sign
陈，
in. Wake up the
我前面有
voice
什么东西？
assistant.
从图片中可以看到，你前面有一面玻璃。
今天天气怎么样？
当前地区天气小雨，当前气温25.3摄氏度，体感27.8摄氏度，湿度89.0%。
Double tap the touchpad on the right tempo to pause the music. Touch it 3 times in a row or long press it to switch music when a call comes in. Short press once to answer the call and long press for 3 seconds to reject the call.